Hey everybody, this is Dante Fortson here. Welcome to the jihad.org publishing tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get started with our software so you can make submissions. Now, I'm already signed in. As you guys will notice over here at the top, I'm under the generic John Smith account, which does the testing. And this is the home page. So once you have registered an account, you can do so by going here to members, clicking register and setting up your account. You can go over here. You should see this admin bar right here. If you go to dashboard, it will bring up your dashboard. Now this will allow you to get started. If you want to make a quick draft, if you just have an idea, working title, an idea, you can type it right here. You can click save draft and it'll save the draft. So let me show you how that works. Now let's see, we'll write a sample tutorial article and we'll write on here for now, this is just a sample article for the tutorial. We'll work on it later. All right, there we go. All right, so now we'll click save draft. You don't have to do it this way. I'll show you an alternative way to do it. So your draft is saved. You can come over here to post and it will give you a list of your post. As you can see, the sample tutorial draft is there. It has no category or other information other than the date. So now if you want to work on it, you can click this, which we'll do in a second. Or if you just want to go straight here without posting the draft like we just did, you can click add new and it will take you to a brand new page. So I'm clicking sample tutorial article. If you were to click new page, it would bring you here with no title here and no words here. So the title is here. We'll leave that title the same. And so now we have the body of the text. And again, this is just a sample article for the tutorial. We'll work on it later. Let's type a little bit more. I'll show you how to add, let me see. I'll show you how to add citations. All right, so we'll just have a little bit more text right there. You'll want to click post and not block. Block will allow you to change the color of the text, the color of the background, the font size, which you won't be using for these submissions, and you also won't be changing any text colors or background. Those are just default that comes with the program, and all this other stuff you don't need to worry about. You'll want to click post. Now when you click post, you'll see some options. You don't want to link your page out with a custom URL. You want to leave it at its normal URL. Otherwise, nobody will be able to see your post and it won't get approved for publication. So now we have categories right here. It's automatically checked as uncategorized. We're going to want to uncheck that. Now you'll only want to pick one category. Posts and submissions with more than one category selected will be either rejected or recategorized. So we have announcements, archaeology, arts, DNA, history, info for academics, which you guys will not be posting there, language, and then tutorials, which you will not be posting there. So we're going to click tutorials for this category. Now, tags. Tags help search engines find your articles. So you'll want to pick about 6 tags, a minimum of 2 tags, but you'll want to pick 6 tags, and here's how they work. We'll do sample page. For the first tag, you can either click enter or hit comma. I'll hit the comma, and then I'll do another one with enter. Let's see, John Smith is the sample page name, and then I hit enter. Enter and comma do the same thing. So you can post up to 6 tags here. Featured image. You guys do not have permission to upload featured images, so that will be uploaded by a member of the editorial board or team. Excerpts. This is where you write the summary of your article. This will be picked up by search engines. It will also be shown on jihad.org if your submission is accepted. So you'll want to write your excerpt. Now it does say optional, but you'll still want to write it. And if you're having a hard time writing it, you can take your opening paragraph, copy and paste it here. For discussion, allow comments is automatically turned on. You do not want to turn this off. Allow pingbacks and trackbacks. You do not want to turn this off because it notifies you if other people share the article and reference it. The pingback will be posted. You'll be able to click that and go and see where your work was referenced. These will be invisible by the time you set up your article, so you won't need to worry about any of these right here. Now, authors, you will see this. So you don't want to disable the post author box because then people won't be able to see who authored the article at the bottom of the article. I will show you that in a future video. If you're the only author here, such as John Smith, your name will appear here. If you would like to add a co-author, you just select their name from the registered members. It's only 2 names on here right now, but you select the name and I'll show you how to do it. We'll click jihad.org as the co-author and we will save a draft. So that is basically it, how you go ahead and get started with the software. Now check the next video. I'll show you guys how to get started making citations and adding other elements to your submission.